In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit your assignment in Google Classroom using Google Docs on your computer. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or just need a refresher, this easy to follow guide will help ensure your assignment is uploaded correctly and on time. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to classroom.google.com. Once there, sign in with your Google account. It's important to make sure you're using the correct account that's linked to your classroom, as this will allow you to access your classes and communicate with your teacher and classmates. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of your classes displayed. To continue, locate the class that corresponds with the assignment you need to submit. Click on it to access the classroom environment for that specific subject or course. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Classwork tab. This is where all of your assignments, quizzes, and any other related materials are organized. The Classwork section provides a tidy, comprehensive view of everything that's been assigned, making it easy to find what you need. Now, click on the specific assignment you wish to submit for. This will bring you to the assignment details page, which includes important instructions, due dates, and any necessary attachments or links provided by your teacher. Once you're on the assignment page, look for the View Assignment button and click on it. This step ensures you're in the right place to submit your work, and also gives you another chance to review any special submission requirements or details that might need your attention. The next part involves attaching your Google Docs file. Look for the section labelled Your Work. Here you'll see an option to add or create. Click on this button, which gives you several choices for uploading or creating content. To add your document, select Google Drive from the available options. This action will take you to your Google Drive, where all your files are stored. Locate the specific Google Docs file you need to submit. If your document is complete and ready to go, select it from your drive. Once your file is attached, take a moment to review everything. Make sure you've attached the correct file, and if needed, make any last-minute corrections in the document before proceeding. Finally, click on the Turn In button. This action will prompt a confirmation pop-up, giving you one last chance to verify your choice. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Turn In again to finalize your submission. And there you have it. You've successfully submitted your assignment through Google Classroom using Google Docs. Remember, if you encounter any issues or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher or classmates for help. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your assignments.